firefighting. What is fire? A process in which substances combine chemically with oxygen from the air and typically give out bright light, heat, and smoke. Combustion or burning. Fire triangle: heat, oxygen, and fuel. Combustion process. There are three components: oxygen, heat, and fuel. Need all components to start a fire for chemical reaction. Fire extinguishers remove one or more of the components. Fire class. A class: trash, wood or paper, etc. Class B: liquids, oils, gasoline, grease, other solvents, etc. Class C: electrical equipment, computers, fax machines, other energized electrical equipment. Class D: combustible metals, magnesium, sodium, potassium, titanium, other flammable metals. Class K fires, recently recognized by NFPA 10. Fires involving combustible oils, lots, and fats in commercial cooking. Fire extinguisher. Main parts: discharge lever, pressure gauge, carrying handle, discharge locking pin and seal, discharge hose, discharge nozzle, discharge orifice, data plate and body. Types of fire extinguishers. Their usage and their color coding according to the BS-EN 3. The components of an extinguisher is indicated by color zone on the body of the extinguisher. Water for wood, paper, textile, solid materials. Only used for A-class items. Do not use on liquid, electrical or metal fires. Powder for liquid and electrical fires. Do not use on metal fires. Foam for use on liquid fires. Do not use on electrical or metal fires. Carbon dioxide for liquid and electrical fires. Do not use on metal fires. Fire extinguisher types: pressurized water, Class A fires only, 2.5 gallons of water up to 1 minute discharge time. Has pressure gauge to allow visual capacity check. 30 to 40 feet maximum effective range. Can be started and stopped as necessary. Extinguishes by cooling burning material below the ignition point. Water type extinguishers. A ring or a pin on the handle stops the fire extinguisher from being set off by accidentally. It also acts as a tamper-proof seal. If the ring is broken or missing, you know the extinguisher needs to be checked. Inside the sturdy steel case, there is a canister containing high pressure gas. Most of the extinguisher is filled with water. A tube runs right up the inside of the tube to a nozzle outside. The nozzle often ends in piece of bent by plastic, so you can easily direct it towards the base of the fire. To operate the extinguisher, you pull the ring and press the handle. Pressing the handle opens a valve that releases the pressurized gas from the canister. The gas immediately expands and fills the inside of the extinguisher, pushing the water downwards. As the water is pushed down, it rises up the tube. A jet of water emerges from the nozzle. Multi-purpose dry chemical. This fire extinguisher used for class A, B and C fires. 2.5 to 20 pounds dry chemical powder ammonia phosphate will discharge in 8 to 25 seconds. Has a pressure gauge to allow visual capacity check. 5 to 20 feet maximum effective range. Extinguishes by smoothing burning material. Carbon dioxide CO2. This type of fire extinguisher used for class B or class C fires. 2.5 to 100 pounds of carbon dioxide discharged in 8 to 30 seconds. Has no pressure gauge capacity, verifying by weight. 3 to 8 feet maximum effective range. Extinguishes by smoothing burning material. Effectiveness decreases as temperature of burning material increases. CO2 extinguisher. It consists of basically of a pressure cylinder with a valve for releasing the gas and a discharge horn. The gas is maintained in liquid form at a pressure of 50 bars, that is 750 psi. The discharge horn allows the gas to expand at a ratio of 450:1, and when it is directed into a fire, prevents air from being pulled along entertainment by reducing the velocity of gas. The average discharge time is 16 to 30 seconds. Advantages: rapid in action, independent of atmospheric temperature. It is an inert gas which quickly disappears, leaving no traces. It is non-conductor of electricity. Can be used in the incipient stage of highly flammable liquid fires. Penetrates inaccessible places. Disadvantages: the total weight of reaction to the contents is inconsiderable. There is no visible way to check the contents. Usage of fire extinguishers. A-class fire extinguisher, water type, used only for solid fires. Foam type is used for solids, flammable liquids and cooking oils, class F. Dry powder used for solids, flammable liquids, electrical equipment and flammable gases. Carbon dioxide used on flammable liquids, electrical equipment, cooking oils. Blanket can be used on any type of fire. Fire extinguisher summary. Pressurized water. By cooling method, It affects on solids class A, carbon dioxide by smoothing class B and class C fires. Multi-purpose dry chemical by smoothing used on A-type, B-type and C-type fires. Fire emergency response. Race, rescue, alarm, contain and extinguish. Firefighting. Pass. Pull the pin, aim low at the base of the flame, squeeze the handle, sweep side to side. PASS, pass. Thank you.